Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant critical error has occurred. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first step, you have to click on their search and search for Task Manager. Open it. Here, you can scroll it more and search. Is there any other Riot client application is running in the background or not? If it is, simply end task it from here. After doing it, close it and click on that search and search for a run where you have to type services.msc. Click OK. It will open up this tab. Here you have to scroll it down until you find the VGC. Right-click on that and open up its properties there. You have to open General from here. Then you will see here Startup tab, which will be in Manual Opener, and change it to Automatic. Click on that Apply and start from here. After doing it will take some time, then click OK. This was the first method. If that didn't work for you, what you can do is click on that search and search for settings. Open it and you will be on the system. You have to open this network and internet here. Scroll it down until you find this advanced network settings. Open it and open its network reset, where you will find this reset now option to reset your network, which will help you to fix this. While one critical error occurred after resetting it, the last thing that you can do is click on that search and search for Device Manager, which will show here these type of options. You can open here Display Adapters, and here it will show you your graphic card. Right-click on that and click on that Update. Select Browse My Computer for driver. Then select Let me pick from a list available on my computer. Select your driver and click Next. Then it will start installing your driver, and you will see here, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant critical error has occurred. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.